Hi guys, my name's Corey. Erica told me you'd be the best person to send this over to. Anyway, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. What I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. But before I go into that, I would actually do some sort of, oh, you got some sort of coupons or whatever. I'd actually bring those up here to the very top. It helps things navigate a little bit easier for people. I like to do money off, coupons, percentage off, or even free estimates usually work as well. But anyway, the call outs at the very top are a lot better. And the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Looks like you guys got a little bit of content on here. I recommend beefing that up to be around 15 to 2,000 words. Plus, we need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords in there as well. Even your images, what they're saved as, it all matters. And you have your name in here. I would actually just keeping that up on your logo and doing more buying intent keywords for all your other images. That would actually do wonders for you. If I come inside of Google and go into heating repair Los Angeles, that's a buying intent keywords there in Google, and this is what you're going to come across. You're going to get these Google guarantees right here at the very top. Google actually, these are brand new to Google. A lot of business owners got so sick of these spammy phone calls, so they came up with this Google guarantee to help weave out some of that spammy calls. You do have some of those old school traditional ads at the bottom as well. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because of those spammy phone calls. This little map section right here, really to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just your business name listed on a business name, address, and phone number listed on a bunch of business directories. Whether it's the BBB, Yelp, City Star, you got the local best, you got Facebook, LinkedIn. There's thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations. But we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that map section is really where we're going to see all that organic traffic happen. That really comes down to all your authoric content that's on your website. How much detailed information that you're giving the general public is usually the person that wins at the end of the day. But also those keywords and also what's called a backlink. What a backlink is a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. And if I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes. We got Service Genie up there. So right now you got 170 referring domains. Historically, you've had 324, which is pushing back 460 backlinks. Historically, you've had 1.87 thousand backlinks, just under 2,000 or so. So your keywords, you're being ranked for 403 keywords, and you're getting about 55 clicks every month to your website. And looks like you started your site back. Well, you haven't really done work to your site till April of 2019 or so. But anyway, if we go inside the keywords, we can actually see what you're actually being ranked for. Air conditioning service near me, 59,000 clicks. You're missing. Yeah, there's not really traffic in that one. You got your name a lot. Heating repair service. Yeah, let's go to the second page. We're looking for those buying intent keywords like AC air conditioning service Los Angeles. That's a buying intent keyword. Air conditioning service Los Angeles. There's 100 clicks every single month. You're 29th position. You're missing the traffic. Let's see here. HVAC service Los Angeles, 32nd position, missing the traffic. Let me go to one of your competitions. This is JW Heating and Air. If we put them inside of Ahrefs, I just want to show you what they're doing. They have 174 referring domains, which is pushing back 1.76 thousand backlinks. Historically, they've had over 10,000 backlinks. They are ranking for 1.2 thousand keywords, and in total, they're getting about 754 clicks to their site every month. And coming inside their keywords, I just want to show you their 4th position on Heating Repair Los Angeles, which is an average of 250 clicks every month. They're getting a decent amount of clicks from that just for their rankings. HVAC Los Angeles, 100 clicks every month. 2nd position there. AC Service Los Angeles, 100 clicks every month, 4th position. So what we can do is actually cherry pick these keywords that they have, and as long as we have the content and we're ranking for those keywords, plus we have those authoric backlinks, you'll fly right up to the first page. You can either apply these 3 free tips for yourself, or if you need a little help, guidance, I love to put a free game plan together for you. My number is 702-292-0810. I look forward to chatting to you later. Bye.